Disclaimer! I'm just a college student. I'm not a professional of any kind. I do these short videos for educational purposes only. Hello, HydraCoin here, and we're going to take a look at Raveos again. Even though I've already given my opinion about this OS and my recommendations, some people still might wish to try it out for themselves, which is okay. I'm not going to tell them no, you can't do that. You can find out for yourself. Although I'm going to go ahead and state it again that I do not recommend this OS as the support is very lackluster. However, let's go ahead and get into the video. What I want you to check out first is the installation page here. You need to make sure that you have 4 gigs of RAM, 4 gigabytes in your SSD, your HDD, your M.2 or your USB, as well as Intel Core 2 or better, or an AMD AM2 or better. As long as you meet the minimum requirements, then you are golden. What you will do then is you will go to this page here, and you will register. You will log in, email your password, and confirm password, and then it will bring you to this page here. This is the main dash for Raveos. I have already named this test cluster. Once you have your login information that you are happy with, it'll bring you to the main page for Raveos. This is the dashboard for Raveos, and you will see your cluster here. I've already named this test cluster. You can name it whatever you want, and you can set an overclock profile if you already have it. However, I'm going to assume you don't, and we will get back to this in a second. Once you have your test cluster, or whatever you want to name it, you will then go to this next tab. You should see Add Worker. You will name it whatever you want, give it whatever description you want, whatever password, and how many cards that you have in your rig. And then you will see this. This just means that your rig is offline and that it is not detecting it. Do not worry about that right now. The next tab that you will go is you will go to Add Wallet. You will select your coin. You'll give it a name, the name. You will select your pool. You will select the server for the pool. And here's where you will put your wallet address. You have to have a wallet address already, so when you mine, it already goes to an address. And then you will pick the zip file, the miner itself, what it runs. And you'll hit save. Then you will go back to your dashboard. You will edit the cluster, and you will hit copy on this token. You will then go back to the main page of Raveos, and you will go to install, scroll down, and what you'll see is this. You will then download the image. You will download HDD raw copy, and you will open up HDD raw copy. You will select the image file. You will select your hard drive, your USB, your M.2, or your SSD, and you will then flash it on that device. It's self-explanatory when you open up HDD raw copy, as it's basically just a couple clicks. You will then open up the file that this creates. If it's on a flash drive or HDD, you will open it up on your desktop. You will then click the token.txt file, and this token will go in there. Once you have put the token in the text file, you need to save it, and then you are ready to go. And then you hook it up into your worker. You will then go back to your dashboard, give it about 5 to 10 minutes. It might need to update, and you should eventually see 1 out of 1 workers working. And then you will go to the worker dashboard, and instead of seeing exclamation points and 00 and offline, it will say it's been online for how long. It will then detect your cards, and it'll give you the hash that you are mining at, the hash rate. You can then go down to the bottom page here, and you can put in your cost per kilowatt, and it should give you a total energy used and then a total energy cost. I hope you all found this informational. I hope this helps you if you wish to test Raveos. I hope you all are having a wonderful time and staying safe. Please make sure to comment and tell me how I'm doing, or even your thoughts. Make sure that you like, subscribe, and have a wonderful rest of your day.